Hi, this is Mulholland from The Batch Lady here, and I am back with you to tell you about another fab potato salad recipe that I'm doing. Great for over the summer. These potato salad recipes save you getting bored if you're doing lots of barbecues and eating outside lots. They are perfect for that and they're so easy to do. Today I am doing harissa and red onion potato salad, and I am of course using the Scotty Brand Ayrshire new potatoes, which work perfectly in this recipe. Okay, so all you want to do is you're going to use 750 grams, so one whole bag of these Ayrshire new potatoes. You are going to get salt and pepper, some Greek yogurt, you can use 0% fat if you want. I've got some pomegranates, some harissa paste, a lemon and a red onion. That is all you need for this recipe. It's really quick, really simple. One thing that I'll just say before I start is I have done a good few of these recipes for Scotty Brand. So if you want to batch in true batch lady style, if you've got people coming over and you want to do more than one, then simply get yourself a couple of bags of these and you can make different recipes. You can make the coronation curried potato one, or you could make the German salad one, and then you can lay out all different potato salads to go along with your meats. Okay, right, so getting started, you just want to open your bag of potatoes and you want to give them a quick wash. Okay, just give them a wash, you don't need to peel these. You will find that they're in different sizes sometimes. They're all pretty diddy, but they're different sizes. If you've got a small one, you want to quarter it, and if you've got a slightly larger one, you want to eighth it. And by doing that, you'll end up with the same size potatoes. You want the same size cut potatoes because you want them to cook all at the same time. Okay, once you've chopped them, I've already chopped these ones here and they're all washed, ready to go. Add them to some cold water, add some cold water in, and you are going to put these on the boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let's go. Okay, so our potatoes are boiled and they are just sitting and cooling just at room temperature for about 10 minutes, okay? Just to leave them to cool, and they look absolutely fantastic. While they are cooling, you can get on and make the rest of the dressing for the potato salad. So you're going to use a red onion, okay? Just take the ends off it, take the outside layer off, and then you're just going to cut it. Try to finely cut it, which is always nice when you're putting it in a potato salad. You can either slice it or chop it. I'm going to chop this one, but it's entirely up to you, okay? Okay, once you are finished chopping, just going to add that to your bowl that you're going to actually serve your salad in, okay? And I'm going to bring it over to let you, I'm going to bring it on top of here so that you can see exactly what is happening. Okay, do you see that? So the red onion is in. Now what we want to do is add the lemon juice in as well. Wow, my eyes are going to start to go. That is a strong red onion. So if you've got a lemon juicer, then of course you can just juice one lemon. If you don't have a lemon juicer, don't worry, just cut it in half, squeeze it out. It'll work the same, it's just a bit harder work if you don't have one. Okay. We're going to add in the juice of one lemon, 4 teaspoons of harissa spice, okay? This harissa spice you can just get in the supermarket beside all the other spices, and it's a lovely taste. Now, if you're serving kids, you can use less than 4 teaspoons, so don't worry about that. We're adding in a pinch of salt, some pepper, and to make our dressing, we're adding in 300 grams of Greek yogurt. Now, this is a 500 gram tub, so you can pretty much work it out. I'm not going to measure it out. I can pretty much tell what 300 grams is going to be. I'm going to give this a good mix around, and you'll see that it starts to become a lovely sort of red colour with the red onions in it. It's a really vibrant dish, this. It's perfect. Okay, as soon as you've got it to this sort of stage, that's your dressing done, you can now just add in your lovely new potatoes. This is such a fresh, lovely salad, and it'll keep going. You can make it a few days in advance if you want, so you don't need to do this on the morning of everybody coming. Just keep it in a plastic container in the fridge and it'll be absolutely delicious. Take it out, let it get to sort of room temperature before you serve it. Okay, now you just want to gently stir these around. Don't stir too much because you don't want them to break up, and you have this amazing salad. To finish it off for a lovely vibrant colour, I'm going to use some pomegranate seeds. If you don't like pomegranates, you can put something else over the top, like some herbs, maybe some coriander, but the pomegranate seeds make it look delicious. There we go. I'll let you see what the final product looks like on the screen as well. Harissa and red onion potato salad made with the lovely Scotty Brand potatoes. Why not give it a go? Here's your new potatoes from Scotty Brand. Lovely potato salads. Thanks for watching. Bye.